Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste math equations from Perplexity AI to Word without errors. This is incredibly useful when you're working on research papers, homework assignments, or any document that requires mathematical formulas, and you want to ensure they transfer cleanly without formatting issues. Let's start by opening Perplexity.ai in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login information to access your account. This step is necessary to use Perplexity's full features and save your conversation history. After logging in, you'll see the main chat input box positioned right in the center of the page. This is where you'll interact with Perplexity. Go ahead and type your math equation directly into this box. The AI is designed to understand and process mathematical notation, so it will generate a properly formatted response for you. Next, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Submit button to proceed. Perplexity will process your equation and display the result on the screen. Give it a moment to generate the output, as the AI needs a bit of time to format the mathematical expression correctly. Now that you have your equation displayed, it's time to copy it. Highlight the math equation that Perplexity has generated, then right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. With your equation copied, open a blank document in Microsoft Word. This is where you'll paste your equation. However, here's the critical part that prevents formatting errors. Instead of using a regular paste, navigate to the upper left corner of Word and find the Home tab. Directly below it, you'll see the Paste option. Click the drop-down arrow next to Paste and select Merge Formatting from the menu. This option is essential because it adapts the equation to Word's formatting while maintaining the mathematical structure, preventing any visual errors or misalignment. If you want to save your work, click File in the top left corner, then select Save As from the menu. A dialog box will appear where you can choose the folder location where you want to save your document. Take a moment to browse and select the appropriate folder. If needed, rename the file to something meaningful that you'll easily recognize later. This helps with organization, especially if you're working on multiple documents. Once you've chosen your location and renamed the file, click Save to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully copied a math equation from Perplexity AI to Word without any formatting errors. This method ensures your equations look professional and accurate in your documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.